We at Adventerra Games were inspired by the astounding success of Boyan Slat's team at the Ocean Cleanup Foundation. They have deployed large machines to clean up the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and to catch the plastic at river mouths to keep the ocean clean. We want to make their jobs easier by reducing the amount of plastic consumed by families, a large part of which ends up in the ocean. Families who play Mission Ocean will use less plastic. Players must rescue sea creatures from being trapped in the household items most commonly found in the ocean. Who can deny a child's request in the supermarket to look for non-plastic alternatives to save the sea creatures? This will reduce the plastics eaten by fish and therefore the microplastics that humans consume in the fish we eat, making our bodies and the whole ecosystem healthier. This Play for Change Award for our game Mission Ocean celebrates a wonderful partnership between the Ocean Cleanup Foundation and Adventerra Games in a joint effort to remove plastics from the ocean. A portion of the sales proceeds will be donated to the foundation. I hope that this collaboration inspires other organizations to work together to solve our environmental problems.